Today, we will learn about perimeter, what it means, and how to find it. Perimeter is the distance or length around a shape. But what does that even mean? Distance or length around a one-dimensional shape can be measured in different types of units, like centimeters, feet, yards, or miles. We can even measure the perimeter of a shape with units of Cheez-Its, saltine crackers, or even cup coasters. Units are really important when you're finding the perimeter. What exactly does around a shape mean? Does it mean any squiggly line around a shape? When we say find the perimeter, it means find the shortest possible distance around a shape. The perimeter would be if you were to trace the shape exactly on its border or edges. Another way to understand perimeter is to imagine you are physically walking along the edge of a shape. Imagine starting at the right-hand corner of a square, then walking all the way around and ending up where you started would be the perimeter. How do we find the perimeter of different sized shapes? Finding the perimeter of rounded shapes like circles and hearts and ovals can be a little more tricky. So to start, we will measure the perimeter of shapes that have no curves, like triangles, squares, rectangles, and pentagons. These types of shapes are called polygons, and they are made of only straight lines. For example, this book has 4 sides. 2 sides are 10 inches, and the other 2 sides are 8 inches. Add all these numbers up, and that will give us the perimeter. But don't forget, the answer is not just a number. There has to be a unit. We measured this book in inches, so our answer would be in inches. It's simple. To find the perimeter of a polygon, like a square or a triangle, you would find the lengths of each side, add them all up, and always make sure your answer has the units you measured the lengths with. For example, this rectangle is being measured in meters. We add the lengths of each side, and once we do the math, our answer would need to include the unit measure of meters. Finding the perimeter of polygons is simple. It just takes practice. Good luck!